Preview.
Hello friends, welcome back to this amazing world of Kids Fun Learn Club with Parikshet and me, Savan. We do drawings and make it easy for you to learn and have fun at the same time. We hope you enjoy our drawings, and today we will be drawing a panda. And what do we need?
We need some black Sharpies,
Yes.
or even some pencils, and some paper and some colors.
Yes, let's get going.
Boom boom.
Okay, so to
Let's
draw
start
the
with the
panda,
face.
we start with the face. What is the shape of the panda's face?
Almost like oval.
Yes. This is good.
I think this is good.
Okay. Big eyes. Yes.
Pandas don't have that much big eyes.
Big eyes.
Not like a owl.
And the nose. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Done till here?
Yeah.
Cool. Now the ears.
Should I start with the body?
Okay.
They are very
Now
different. Like this.
come on.
Yeah.
The body. How is the body shape? Again round. How are the legs? It's again round. And the hands? Again round. That's such an easy drawing. And we are done with the drawing of panda. Right, Parikshet?
Yeah.
Let's quickly color it. The coloring it is also very easy.
Well, I've almost colored everything with my Sharpie.
Wow, this is awesome. And our little panda is ready.
Yeah.
That was a quick drawing.
I was a little more.
Wow, that's so cute. That's so beautiful. Was this not a very easy drawing?
Drawing.
Easy for you.
Yeah.
Yes?
Of course.
So do not forget to share your drawings with us
That's
on Instagram. And tag us at the
Yes,
Kids Fun Learn
Fun
Club
Club.
and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club to win some amazing goodies from us.
Yeah.
We'll be waiting for your drawings. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
And see you on the next video.
See you in the next video.
Bye.